Welcome to the 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, a timeless and insightful guide to effective leadership. Written by renowned leadership expert John C. Maxwell, this book outlines 21 fundamental principles that every leader should know and practice. From the law of the lid to the law of legacy, Maxwell's laws provide a comprehensive framework for understanding and developing the skills necessary to become a successful leader. Whether you're a seasoned executive or just starting out on your leadership journey, this book offers practical wisdom and real-world examples to help you navigate the complexities of leadership and achieve your goals. Now that we've introduced the book, let's take a closer look at the 21 laws. The book is divided into 3 sections. Laws 1 to 7 focus on the foundation of leadership, Laws 8 to 14 explore the dynamics of leadership, and Laws 15 to 21 discuss the nuances of leadership. Throughout the book, Maxwell shares practical wisdom and real-world examples to illustrate each law. One of my favorite quotes from the book is, "Leadership is a choice, not a position. You can lead from anywhere in the organization," which is Law 3, the law of process. I'm excited to dive deeper into each law and explore how they apply to our own leadership journeys. Let's dive in and explore the 21 irrefutable laws that will take your leadership to the next level. Law 1. The law of the lid. Leadership ability determines a person's level of effectiveness. Law 2. The law of influence. The true measure of leadership is influence, not position or title. Law 3. The law of process. Leadership develops daily, not in a day. It's a journey, not a destination. Law 4. The law of navigation. A leader must navigate through challenges and obstacles to achieve success. Law 5. The law of addition. Leaders add value by serving others and making them better. Law 6. The law of solid ground. Trust is the foundation of leadership. Leaders must build trust with their team. Law 7. The law of respect. People naturally follow leaders stronger than themselves. Law 8. The law of intuition. Leaders evaluate everything with a leadership bias, making decisions based on intuition. Law 9. The law of magnetism. Who you are is who you attract. Leaders attract people like themselves. Law 10. The law of connection. Leaders touch a heart before they ask for a hand. They connect with people emotionally. Law 11. The law of the inner circle. A leader's potential is determined by those closest to them. Law 12. The law of empowerment. Only secure leaders give power to others, empowering them to succeed. Law 13th. The law of the picture. People do what people see. Leaders set the example for their team. Law 14th. The law of buy-in. People buy into the leader before they buy into the vision. Law 15th. The law of victory. Leaders find a way for the team to win, even in difficult situations. Law 16th. The law of the big momentum. Momentum is a leader's best friend. Leaders must create and maintain momentum. Law 17th. The law of priorities. Leaders understand that activity is not necessarily accomplishment. Law 18th. The law of sacrifice. A leader must give up to go up, sacrificing personal interest for the team. Law 19th. The law of timing. When to lead is as important as what to do and where to go. Law 20th. The law of explosive growth. To add growth, lead followers. To multiply growth, lead leaders. Law 21. The law of legacy. A leader's lasting value is measured by succession, leaving a legacy. This summary provides a comprehensive overview of the 21 laws, which offer practical wisdom and real-world examples to help leaders develop the skills necessary to succeed. Thanks for tuning in.